Welcome to George Ilagan International School of Hotel and Tourism Management. My name is Chef Christian Cruz and I will be your chef instructor for this program. Okay, good morning students. So for today's bread and pastry, we will be doing Ensaymada and Pandesal, and along with that, we will be also making a cinnamon muffin. Okay, and here are our ingredients. Okay, so for cinnamon muffin, we have egg, vegetable oil, milk, castor sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Okay, so for our procedure, what we will do is combine all of the dry ingredients, okay, onto the single bowl. Okay, so those are the baking powder, sugar, salt, cinnamon. Okay, so you set it aside, and most of your liquid ingredients, okay, you can get the bowl. Combine the egg, oil, and milk. Okay, and just mix this a little bit. Okay, then afterwards you combine the dry and wet ingredients. Your muffin batter. Okay, now you prepare a muffin molder with liner. Okay. This recipe can make at least 6 to 7 muffin. Place it into your oven. Okay, now your muffin is baking for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, and it should be looking like this. Okay, and your muffin is done. Okay, here are your ingredients for our dough. Okay, so we have here fresh milk, yeast, melted butter, egg, salt, sugar, and flour. Okay, so what we will do, we will be combining the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Okay, here's what we will do. Okay, so we combine the lukewarm milk. Okay, lukewarm milk, the butter. Okay, the yeast. Okay, and a little bit of sugar. Okay, and then the egg. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just combine this. Okay, then for your flour, you add in the salt and the sugar. So this is like your wet ingredients, and this is your dry. Okay, what you can do is combine it. Okay, and make a dough coming from that. Okay, so for this one, we will be resting this for at least 20 minutes. Okay, and then we will continue kneading it. Okay, now this one will be used for your pandesal. Okay, so this is a breadcrumb. So what you can do is you can toast this one until it's golden brown. Okay, and then you can just use your blender, okay, or food chopper to make a crumbs coming from this breadcrumbs. Okay, so make sure you have a very nice brownie. So your breadcrumb should be looking like this one, okay? So you can blitz this one or using a blender, okay, to powderize it. Okay, now once you have your breadcrumbs, you can just transfer it here so that you can dust off your breads later on. Okay, so this is the appearance of your crumbs. Okay. Okay, now this one is resting for at least 20 minutes now. So what we will do, we will be kneading this for at least 7 minutes. This is kneading for at least 7 minutes. Okay, how to check the quality of your dough? So number one, you roll a small amount of your dough. Okay, and then once it's glossy, okay, try to do a window pane test. Okay, goes like this one. Okay, once it's elastic enough, that's done. Okay, now this dough is ready to rest. Okay, so what you can do, you can get a little bit of oil, okay, so that your dough won't be drying out. Okay, that's it. Okay, then rest it for at least 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Now what you can do, get a towel and cover it for at least the next hour. Okay. Okay, now after 1 hour, okay, of resting our dough, we have this. Okay. So all you have to do here is remove most of the air. Okay. Okay, now after resting like for around 20 minutes, okay, you can brush our ensaymada. Okay, so this one will be baking for at least 20 to 25 minutes inside the oven using at least 175 to 180. Okay, now we will be making a very simple buttercream. So here I have half cup of butter and a half cup of confectioner sugar. Okay. A little bit of vanilla. Now you have some simple buttercream for your ensaymada. Okay, now after 25 minutes, okay, our bread is done. We have a spreads, okay. Okay. Okay, now we have here our finished product. So we have here Pandesal, Muffin, and Ensaymada. So hopefully you have learned something from today's laboratory activity, and we will be having more on the succeeding for the breads. Okay? So thank you and